Hey avocado lovers! Ever dreamt of growing your own avocado tree from a seed or a cutting, but feel like it's just too tricky? Well, what if I told you there's a surprisingly simple, and even a little unusual, trick to boost your avocado propagation success? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're diving into a unique technique you might not have heard of, using onions to help your avocado cuttings take root. Yes, you heard that right, onions. Intrigued? Let's get started and unlock this secret to avocado growing success. So, why onions? It might sound strange, but onions contain natural compounds that can actually act as rooting hormones and even protect your cuttings from diseases. Think of it as a natural growth booster and bodyguard for your baby avocado tree. Now, how do we actually use onions for avocado propagation? It's easier than you might think. First, you'll need to take a healthy cutting from a mature avocado tree. Make sure your cutting is about 6 to 8 inches long, and ideally from new growth. Next, grab a medium-sized onion. You can use any type of onion you have on hand, yellow, red, or white will all work. Peel off the outer papery layers of the onion. Now, here's the clever part. Carefully hollow out the center of the onion, creating a little well. You can use a small knife or a spoon to do this. Be gentle so you don't break the onion. Place your avocado cutting into this onion well. Make sure the cut end of the avocado stem is sitting inside the onion. The onion acts like a mini pot and provides moisture and those beneficial compounds directly to the cutting. You can then place this onion cutting combo in a glass or jar of water, making sure only the bottom of the onion is submerged, not the cutting itself. The water will keep the onion moist and prevent it from drying out too quickly. Place your setup in a warm spot with indirect sunlight. Change the water every couple of days to keep it fresh. Now, patience is key. Avocado propagation takes time, whether you are using onions or not. But with the onion boost, you might see roots developing a bit faster. Keep an eye on your cutting, and in a few weeks, hopefully, you'll start to see roots emerging from the base of the avocado stem. Once the roots are a few inches long, you can carefully transplant your newly rooted avocado cutting into a pot with well-draining soil. And that's it. You've successfully propagated an avocado tree using the power of onions. But wait, there's more to know. Why exactly is this onion trick so effective? Well, onions are packed with natural rooting hormones. These hormones encourage cell growth and root development in your avocado cutting. Onions also have antifungal and antibacterial properties. This helps protect your cutting from rotting or fungal diseases while it's trying to root, which is a common problem in propagation. So, you're not just giving your cutting a rooting boost, you're also giving it a shield against potential problems. Before you rush off to try this, here are a few extra tips for success. Make sure you use a fresh, healthy avocado cutting. The healthier the cutting, the better its chances of rooting. Keep the humidity around your cutting high. You can do this by placing a plastic bag loosely over the setup for the first few weeks, making sure to vent it occasionally to prevent mold. Be patient. Avocado propagation can take time, sometimes weeks or even a couple of months depending on the conditions and the variety of avocado. Don't give up too soon. And lastly, remember that propagation success isn't guaranteed every time, but trying unique methods like this onion technique can definitely increase your chances and make the whole process more fun and rewarding. So, are you going to give this onion propagation trick a try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and if you have any other unique propagation tips to share. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next video.